how to build the workflow in Asana. So in order to build the workflow, what you can do is you can head over first and then click on this project in order to create a new project that will serve as your workflow. So let's click on this new project. And then for this one, you can use a template. You can import a spreadsheet or you can also use a blank project from one. So for example, let's use a template. And then in here, you can see some templates that you can have right here. So for example, let's search for templates like workflow. And then from in there, you can see in here some templates. You can also just search for work only and you can find some inspirations for particular project templates that you have as well. As you can see, I have this cross-functional project as well as work requests. And as you can see, this work request right here has this tag that has workflow. And it can be integrated with a lot of apps. So let's head over and use this work request and click on this use template. And then you can name this, like for example, let's put in here workflow. Now click on this create project. Then once you have done that, as you can see, the project is being created. So just wait for this to actually finish. And then once this project has actually finished processing, you should be able to see what it looks like right now. So as you can see, this is what our workflow look like. So this is just a template. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this add task in order to add another task. Like for example, let's put in here, find a programmer. So you can say something like that. So this will actually serve as a to-do list for your entire team. So we have this. So you can click on this particular task. And then from in here, you can choose in here the priority level. Like for example, let's put in here the priority of high priority. The effort that it takes medium effort. And the type of work. Like for example, in here, access requests and others. So this involves HR. So this let's choose in here other, and then you can see in here the task progress, and you can also see in here some integrations for them on Zendesk, Jira Cloud, GitHub, as well as Clockwise. So you can head over and add in here an existing ticket, Jira issue, and a lot more. You can also put in here a due date right here, and then once you have done that, this will appear from in there. Now, in here, this will appear in the new request. You can see in here the backlog as well as in progress and completed. So this new request right here will serve as your draft. This block log right here will serve as the things that you need to do. And this one will serve as the one that you have in progress, as well as this one has the completed ones. So once you have completed the project, you can head over, click on this check icon right here in order to mark this as completed. And then this will gray out onto your screen. That means that you have actually completed that. So that's how you build a workflow in Asana. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.